sobrang grateful, Tito Boy. Hindi ako makapaniwala.
Nandito na tayo.
Yeah,
Mag-umpisa na tayo.
Growing up, I was a daddy's girl talaga. And then, siguro may phase in my life where I needed him the most and he wasn't so present. So I had to be hyper-independent. Naging hyper-independent ako.
Do you understand ngayon kung bakit he wasn't there?
I understand. It's also his first time being a father. It's everyone's first time being a parent. So coming from me, I should not blame anybody.
Stop the blame game, di ba?
Yeah, no blame game. Just what can you do now?
Kasi pag during scene, ano talaga ako dyan, aware talaga ako, kailangan, naramdam ko kung saan nila ako hinahawakan, saan nila ako hinahalikan, para alam ko kung kailan ako aalit mag-tutuloy. So,
May pagkakataon na ba na may naitulak ka
Ate-
dahil sumusobra and was going beyond the boundaries?
think na Tito Boy, wala rin naman.
Wala pa?
Wala pa naman. Sobrang importante po ng Tito Boy, lalo na sa magiging ka-partner ko, na mag-usap kami, para at least alam namin yung boundaries namin.
Alright. Yan ikaw.
Well, prior to taking the scenes, we always communicate first hanggang saan lang. And I'm very firm about my boundaries, so I have not experienced anything wrong.
Wala
during
pa
the
ba
take.
bastos na
Wala.
naranasan?
Very professional so far.
Okay.
I guess it doesn't align with my current energy anymore. Like, I feel like I'm done with it. I'm done with my contract. It's there. I make music. I want to focus on my music. I'm a singer-songwriter. So I do R&B, contemporary soul. Yun ko yung pinafocus ko.
Pinoy aktor na crush mo.
Wala.
Pinay actress na iniidolo.
Naging gusto yun.
Pangarap mong maging leading man.
Girls Squad.
Pangarap mong role.
Singer.
Lights on, lights off.
Both.
Happiness or chocolates.
Both.
Best time for both.
Anytime.
Your number one career goal, ano ito?
Wealth and abundance, peace of mind.
Oh! Maganda, madiskarte.
Madiscuss,
Seryosohan, dibdiban.
dibdiba.
Binibaby mo o binibaby ka?
Binibaby ako.
Dumaan si crush, paano magpa-cute? Ah! Kung pusa ka, paano ka mang-akit?
Yeah.
Aktor na pumorma sa'yo. Lights on, lights off.
Lights on.
Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Every day, anytime.
Balang araw, ako ay...
Magiging successful na artista at magiging magaling na artista.
Ah!
Sa tagal mo sa mundo, anong lesson, isang lesson na natutunan mo sa buhay?
Tito Boy, what would you tell your 10-year-old self?
Alamat ng saging with Tito Boy.
Anong role niya?
Ang role niya po doon, kami po yung tagahanap ng saging.
Okay. Nasaging na ano?
Saging.
Sa akin, Titos of Manila. 'Di ba? Mga puro tito lang sila.
Sobrang saya and grateful, and sa susunod po, maimbitahan pa sana kami ulit dito. Biten, thank you.
Ako, again, grateful also. It's like talking to my dad or like a very wise turtle. Turtle talaga. Kasi so, ang talino talaga. And I felt very comfortable and at home. Yeah.
I want